Silk fabric that I got. So starting with the robe first, what I actually had to do was I had to make a pattern, of course, which was so easy, super easy. After making my pattern, I went ahead and cut out everything. If you wanted to see a more in-depth description of how I made the pattern, please leave that in the comment section down below. Cut out the front neckline and also the back, you know, to get that shape for the robe. The sides and stitch them together. Sides together. And then I always make sure I back stitch just to make sure that stitch is well secured. The hem is perfectly even. And I always make sure that my seams are of perfect matching measurement. And then, you know, you have to fold it over just to create a neat finish. I serge my seams so it looks good on the inside as well as the outside. Doing the hem, I also had to make sure that inside was well neat, so I just did the same thing. I fold an inch, then fold another inch in, and then just straight stitch down. And I also just fold over the neckline just to make sure it has that neat, even seam. So for the loop, it was so easy. I just grabbed leftovers from my fabric. They're 2.5 inches, and I just fold it in half, straight stitch, and then flip it inside out. Use a pin just to pin that on the fabric. Tie strap, which is what you will be using around your waist to tie. It is long enough to go around your waist and to give a tie and leave that bow. The ending of it, I wanted to make sure it had like that triangular shape. If I'm not good at explaining things, guys, but I'm sure the video gives you a clearer explanation. Hair scrunchie, my favorite part. Do a straight stitch, flip it inside out. Detailed instruction of how I made my scrunchie. My last video I showed it in depth of how to make a hair scrunchie step by step, which is super easy. Pink striped scrunchie look, it went so good with the robe that I did. Of the video and let me know if you like it, and stay tuned for my next video.